More than 4,000 earthquakes strike the United States every year. What should you do during an earthquake? When you feel the ground shaking, drop, cover, and hold on until the shaking stops. Tips to secure your home against earthquakes. Bolt down any tall or heavy furniture. Secure loose objects to the floor or wall. And know how to turn off the utilities like gas and water. Don't wait for an emergency. Plan for an emergency. Focus USA reminds you of these 3 steps for emergency preparedness. Step 1. Make your family emergency plan. Know how to reach your family. And know your community's evacuation plans and shelter locations. Make sure you have adequate homeowners or renters insurance. Step 2. Build or buy a family emergency kit. Include everything you'll need for up to 3 days for each person in your family. Make sure you pack a go bag with essential items if you need to evacuate quickly. Step 3. Stay informed. Sign up for your local emergency alert apps. And stay tuned to your local stations and smartphone apps. To learn more and support our work, visit focus-usa.org.